It's impossible to hold your maximum speed for 1,000 meters, but you can build up endurance to maintain, let's say, a 75% of your speed over longer distances. Let me talk a little bit more about endurance so I can give you the best swimming workout to build your endurance. When you swim at your top speed, you're spending energy from your muscles faster than you can replenish them. So that causes fatigue, and you will start swimming slower and slower as you get more and more tired. Some people are fast over short distances, but cannot hold that speed for too long. Some people are not that fast, but can hold their speed for longer distances because they have better endurance. Building up endurance means that you can hold certain speed for longer and longer distances. Even if you improve by a little bit, let's say 0.1 meters per second, that is a 35.8 faster swim over a 1500 meter race. To give you the perfect endurance workout, we need to look at the 4 adaptations that your body needs to go through in order to hold speed for longer. The first is that the lungs need to transfer oxygen more efficiently to the blood. The second is that the heart needs to pump blood harder to the muscles. The third is that your muscles need to use energy more efficiently, and they need to be stronger to be able to do that. The fourth is that you need to have better control of your body to be able to move in a better swimming technique. Most people start with number 1 and 2. They swim for longer and longer distances to build up that cardiovascular efficiency. I would say that number 4 is more important, and number 3 is very underrated. So if you want to start having more control of your body and at the same time start working on those hidden muscles that will help you swim faster, click on this video that will take you to our dryland channel. And if you want the best endurance workout, click on this secret private video for the complete explanation. See you there. Swim fast.